I want to do a video of horn manure, biodynamic horn manure we made according to Rudolf Steiner's direction in the recipe. So we got collected manure from a lactating horned cow that's being raised on grass biodynamically. In this case, we use zebu manure from a friend of mine's lactating horned zebu cows he has. So we took 10 horns. I got them from the Josephine Porter Institute, used horns, and we filled them with manure and put them right here and covered them with palm fronds. We did it according to the Biodynamic.India directions. The Biodynamic Association, because it's a tropical, done under tropical conditions, so you bury it in at the winter solstice, and then you dig it up on the spring solstice, and you cover it with coconut palm fronds. And looks like there's fire ants right next to it, so hopefully they processed it, help process it, and there won't be any in the dirt. It's like we'll see what this looks like. There they are. I don't think anybody's ever made horn manure in Florida before. I strongly believe that spraying this, or I know, I don't believe, I know it builds soil if you spray it on a grass, an unmowed grass system. And you can see soil structure within like 10 days in some areas. In our case, we're buying all of our biodynamic preps and compost preps from Josephine Porter Institute, because we didn't have any cows. So that was a great source. And I made biodynamic compost, or have been making biodynamic compost for 3 years. This year I did not put the preps, have not put the preps in my compost. I just used the old compost. And it seems to be working fine now. But I know this works. So there's 10 horns here. Doesn't look like any fire ants went in there. And all you need is like, I think it's like a tablespoon for an acre. So it's not very much, which is so nice. So here's the first horn. That's what it looks like. Oh my God, it looks really good. Look at that. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Of course, it's zebu manure, so it had to be good to begin with. But anyway, it still looks like zebu manure. No, it doesn't. It's broken down. Anyway, I'm gonna remove these horns and let them sit and dry a little bit. Maybe it'll just pop out then. Anyway, that's horn manure in Florida from lactating horned zebu